Wait, don't swallow that pill. This medicine costs $10. This spoon of chia seeds costs 10 cents. But they do the same thing to your heart. 4 minutes. I'll prove it. Number 1. Turmeric plus black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin. It can reduce inflammation in your joints, diabetes, and heart by up to 50%. But alone, turmeric isn't absorbed. Add a pinch of black pepper. Absorption goes up 2,000%. Routine. Before bed, turmeric plus black pepper plus milk plus honey. It's called golden milk, your best natural painkiller for arthritis. Number 2, ginger. It contains gingerol, the same compound that ibuprofen uses to kill pain. Studies show ginger reduces muscle pain by 25%. For period pain, it works better than over-the-counter drugs. Feeling nauseous? Ginger tea kills it, even for chemo patients. Morning hack. Chew a small piece of raw ginger on an empty stomach. Your digestion becomes a Swiss watch. Number 3. Garlic. It contains allicin. This widens your blood vessels naturally. 1 raw clove per day lowers blood pressure by 8 to 10 points, same as beta blocker drugs. Bad cholesterol drops 15%. Warning: eat garlic raw or lightly cooked. Overcooking kills the allicin. Number 4. Leafy green and cruciferous vegetables. Spinach and fenugreek. Vitamin K makes bones strong. Fracture risk drops 50%. Broccoli and cauliflower, packed with cancer-fighting compounds. Carrots. Beta-carotene sharpens your eyesight. Tomatoes. Lycopene is a miracle for your heart. Cook them for more power. 2 plates of veggies a day equals your brain stays 11 years younger. Number 5. Seeds and dry fruits, the most powerful of all. Chia and flax seeds, omega-3 and fiber. 2 tablespoons give you 40% of your daily fiber. Constipation and diabetes both controlled. Walnuts, soak them overnight in water. Eat in the morning. Omega-3 makes your brain sharp and heart strong. Nutrition goes up 5 times. Almonds, vitamin E for glowing skin and better memory. Pumpkin seeds, magnesium for deep sleep and less stress. This bowl is your heart, brain, joint, and skin pharmacy. So here are your 5 medicines hiding in your kitchen. Turmeric with black pepper, ginger, garlic. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, carrot, tomato, and seeds with dry fruits like chia, flax, walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds. No pharmacy needed, just your fridge and pantry. Now it's your turn. Comment below, which one will you start eating today? Like, share, and subscribe for more food as medicine hacks. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.